Hello everyone! Today we are in the lovely neighborhood of Havenwood Park here in South Bexley, one of the most sought after areas in South Bexley because of this beautiful park. It is lovely out here. It's so quiet on this beautiful spring morning, and the street is such a quiet area because there's not a lot of traffic that goes down because it is so secluded. But you know what? We really have to go in and take a look at why we're here. The listing at 2400 Havenwood. Here we are. We made it to 2400 Havenwood. Look at this beautifully landscaped property. It has such great curb appeal. It's lovely. And as we enter the house, we're going to walk into the Three Seasons room that overlooks the beautiful park that we were in earlier. Come on, let's go inside. Well, now that we're inside and I'm sitting in the beautiful Three Season room looking out at the lovely view of that park we were in earlier, you can't beat this. It's so comfortable. All year round you can sit out here with this great view. It's just so comfortable and relaxing. But you know what? I think we need to continue on the tour. Well, thanks for joining me here in the living room of this lovely home. We have a fireplace right over here with an awesome looking mantle. It looks like it's been hand carved. And then as we move into the living room, we have this bay picture window right here that overlooks the park. Again, another scenic view from this lovely home. Now we're here in the kitchen, and we have a lot of counter space in this kitchen, and we also have these great under cabinet lighting, which is really great too. As we walk into the kitchen, you can see the counter space I was talking about. There's lots of it. We have these lovely glass fronts on the cabinets, which really adds to the charm of the kitchen. And as we move in, we see this other wonderful large window with a great view of the backyard and the hot tub and pond. You can't beat this view. You can't get a better kitchen. It's just amazing. But you know what? We need to go down and check out the finished basement. As you can see, right now it's being used as a bedroom. There's a great fireplace over here and a built-in bookcase. And we have a full bathroom right outside there. And this really could be used for anything. You could use it for an entertainment room. You can turn it into an office. Whatever your imagination would allow you to do, you can create whatever you want down here. But you know what? Let's go back upstairs and take a look at the bedrooms. Here we are in the upstairs of this beautiful Cape Cod where there's 3 spacious bedrooms and the full bath. Also, we have the beautiful wood floors that we saw downstairs throughout. Here we are in the dining room. Wanted to save this room for last. It's a spacious dining room, has lovely wood floors, but you know what? We got another great view out of this house, right to the backyard where we have the hot tub and the pond and the park-like setting of the backyard. You know what? Let's go outside, take a closer look at that backyard. It's got beautiful landscaping, and you know what? You don't have to cut any lawn. That's my favorite part. But you can also grill back here and the barbecue. You can sit here on the patio and look at the beautiful pond and just take in all the peaceful serenity that you can have back here. And you know what? If you want to, you can go in the hot tub because that's staying with the house. We also, beyond here, we have the 2-car garage. We also have an extra space next to it. And you can park in front of the garage. 4 parking spaces in South Bexley. That's almost unheard of. You know what? You've got to see this house in person. It is awesome. Follow us on Facebook, take a look at our Matterport, and come on out and see 2400 Havenwood.